Hello students, welcome to Padho Bio. My name is Shashikant Chaube and in this video we are going to start about Kelvin cycle. Do you know Kelvin cycle has various other alternative names? So let's start from the first and most important name, that is Kelvin-Benson-Bessel cycle. The name was given to this cycle in 1951 when it was discovered by Melvin Kelvin, James Bessel and Andrew Benson. They discovered this cycle using carbon-14 isotope. So in respect of them, we call this cycle as Kelvin-Benson-Bessel cycle. Now, coming to another name given to this cycle is the dark reaction. Kelvin cycle and the light dependent reaction both occur during the daytime in the chloroplast itself. One has to capture the light and the other has no need to do so. But the Kelvin cycle was discovered after the discovery of light dependent reaction, and that's why we also named it as a dark reaction. But during Kelvin cycle there is no need to capture the sunlight. Now coming to its third name, that is reductive pentose phosphate cycle. As you can see, when these cycles start, the very first molecule present in it is the 5-carbon sugar, that is a pentose sugar, and these pentose sugar reduce several times to form a glucose. So that's why the name given to this. Now coming to the third name of this cycle is C3 cycle. Do you know why? Because when this cycle runs, the very first stable molecule produced here is a 3-carbon molecule, that is 3-phosphoglyceric acid or 3-phosphoglycerate. This is a 3-carbon molecule and that's why we named it as a C3 cycle. Now let's see overview of this cycle. This cycle contains total 3 phases, in which first is the carboxylation, second is the reduction phase, and the last is the regeneration phase. Here regeneration is also known as RUBP regeneration because here ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate is regenerated to make the cycle runs continuously. And all these phases are conducted in the Kelvin cycle, which runs in the stroma of chloroplast. And here carbon dioxide is taken from the atmosphere and now converted into a 6-carbon molecule, that is glucose. So now let's start this reaction. Here carbon dioxide from the atmosphere comes inside the stroma of chloroplast, where it is combined with a 5-carbon molecule known as ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, also known as RUBP. They are together joined with the help of an enzyme known as Rubisco, and this enzyme is the most abundant enzyme of the planet Earth. Now an unstable product is formed which is of 6 carbon, but soon it gets splits into 2 molecules of 3 carbon each, namely 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-phosphoglyceric acid. This first step is known as carboxylation phase. After this step, ATP is required, which comes from the light dependent reaction which is running on the thylakoid membrane as ATP having 3-phosphate, out of which the terminal phosphate gets incorporated with this molecule and now is converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid, because in this molecule now phosphates are incorporated with the first and the third carbon. Coming to another step, now NADPH is required. It also comes from light dependent reaction. From NADPH, hydrogen is donated to this molecule and is now replaced the phosphate and is converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Both of these steps together known as reductive phase. Here during this step, these molecules can be easily utilized to form a glucose of 6 carbon. But to make this cycle runs continuously, we need to regenerate RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. And for this purpose, in stroma, there are 6 rounds of cycles running together to form 12 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate having total of 36 carbon. And from these, 2 molecules are separated to form a glucose, and now the remaining 30 molecules are utilized to form 5 molecules of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. And this is how the RUBP is regenerated. And this phase is known as RUBP regeneration phase. So what is the outcome of this reaction? To make 1 molecule of glucose that is of 6 carbon, we need to run 6 cycles together. And for these, total 6 ATP and 6 NADPH are utilized. And finally, 6 RUBPs are regenerated. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like us, go and subscribe our channel and also watch the full playlist of photosynthesis. See you in the next video.